Hello, I'm Valeria DAmico, Head of Joint Open Lab Department within Strategy Innovation in TIM. In order to strengthen the relationship between the corporate company innovation department and the academia, we have created the company on campus paradigm, where with an open innovation way of working, we have opened several research centers within the universities. The idea is to this way encourage co-design, co-development and co-location. Our goal is to fit with our innovation activities towards the business strategy of the company, so to widen the business in new trajectories. So in the Joint Open Lab based in Torino, we are focusing our activities on connected robotics in terms of service robotics. What we do, we basically look at the way the robot interacts both with the network from one side and with the human being from the other. So what we do is develop technologies, prototypes, service concepts in the broad field of service robotics, expanding towards this new market potential that we have as a telco. So there are basically two main things. First of all, we have a very broad multidisciplinary approach in doing this. So it's not just a technical approach. We also have legal aspects that are analyzed, economical aspects that are benchmarked, and of course the interaction with the human being. So a cognitive approach and an ergonomic approach as well. So the interaction design is one of our main focuses. We have two main lines of activities. One is based on cloud robotics, so how to bring the intelligence from the robot on the cloud, so to the network. And the other one is the robot operating system framework, where we can basically decouple from the hardware the performance and the cost of the service. This, of course, brings value to a telco-based approach to service robotics. Several concepts have been developed within the Joint Open Labs, all of them using autonomous robots. First of all, infrastructure monitoring. We have also worked with educational activities applied in high schools within Piedmont, environment simulation and robot gaming. But the two main tracks that we are investing on are connected robots to the 4G network of TIM and cultural heritage applications. According to the studies that we have carried on within Joint Open Lab in Torino, the connection to the network is one of the steps that we are following in order to bring the sector of civil drones towards maturity, especially when we are using the 4G network. Live data transmission, more safety, management of the flight from a central point will enable drones to be used in smart city contexts, and these are just one of many opportunities that we can have in front of us. Another direction we are looking at in terms of service applications within Joint Open Lab of TIM is to promote the creation of a network that is looking at the way to value the cultural heritage of our territory. With Virgil, a service robot that is used to aid and support the work of a touristic guide, the visitor can be based at the center of a network where all Piedmont is connected. This way we are able to bring value to the beauty, the creativity and the identity of our country. So service robotics finds its place close to other technological trends we are studying here in Joint Open Lab. Deep learning algorithms approach to visual intelligence, artificial intelligence with distributed algorithms, ergonomic approach to interaction design of new mobile applications. All this brings TIM at the cornerstone of developing a platform approach to smart cities and especially to smart citizens of the future.